Hello everyone, this is Santi Joy. Our paper ID is 347 and our title, PyroVision, a deep learning-based model for wildfire detection in satellite imagery. So this is the outline we're going to follow: problem statement, motivation, research objectives, methodology, resultant analysis, and finally, conclusion. So the primary issue being addressed is the need for precise detection of wildfires using satellite images. Current methods struggle high false positive, low spatial resolution. Existing wildfire detection techniques are ineffective due to two main reasons. They often generate false alarms, indicating fires where none exist. They have limited ability to accurately pinpoint the location and extent of wildfires. There is a necessary for the development of a better approach that utilizes deep learning technology to improve wildfire detection accuracy. Environmental preservation and wildfire protection. Effective wildfire detection contributes to the preservation of natural ecosystems and wildfire habitats by enabling swift response and containment, reducing the ecological impact of wildfires. Early detection facilitated by advanced technology ensures timely evacuation alerts and firefighting mobilization, significantly reduce the risk to human lives and property. Deep learning algorithms enhances disaster management by providing more accurate and reliable wildfire detection capabilities. Though, through the development of PyroVision, a deep learning model, we have created a method that significantly enhances wildfire detection in satellite images by reducing false positives and negatives, while achieving high precision and recall. The architectural design comprises multiple convolutional blocks, each consisting of two consecutive convolution layers followed by ReLU activation. ReLU means rectified linear unit. In the initial convolution block, the filter sizes are configured to 32 and 64, utilizing a kernel size of 3 by 3. Following each pair of convolutional layers, an attention block is appended to further augment the model's decision-making capabilities. Within the attention block, the architecture integrates the efficient channel attention module, which employs global average pooling to aggregate channel-specific information before modeling channel dependencies using two dense layers. Through this mechanism, the model can effectively emphasize significant features by scaling them with the attention weight derived from the input features. While in data preprocessing, the picture goes through color space conversion, resization to 120 by 120 by 3, normalization, and finally NumPy conversion. The result is showing among 4 different models: 2D CNN, VGG19, MobileNet V2, and finally PyroVision. In the PyroVision section, the accuracy, precision, recall, FR score, false positive, and false negative are showing as 95.51%, 95.53%, 94.80%, 95.16%, 88, and 103. Here, as you can see, the VGG19 precision, recall, and FR score are not showing because VGG19 is not compatible with high resolution images. The most significant predictors of wildfire occurrence are temperature, humidity, wind speed. Future research should prioritize integrating real-time data streams like weather forecasts and satellite imagery to enhance predictive accuracy. However, limitations arise from reliance on satellite image quality and scalability issues. PyroVision stands as a pioneering framework for wildfire prediction, boasting a remarkable 95.51% predictive accuracy, despite challenges in data acquisition, preprocessing, scalability, Our commitment to ongoing refinement address various environmental complexities. Its significance lies in safeguarding communities and mitigating the devastating effects of fire. This is the relevant reference attached, and thank you.